Hi, today's lesson is lesson 24, how to write fractions using a fraction bar. So we've been dividing and shading parts of a square. When we divide a square into fourths, how many equal pieces do we have? We have 4 equal pieces. The word fourth means 4 equal parts. Okay, so we call each of these parts 1/4 of the whole shape. Okay, we can write 1/4 another way. We can write it as 1 part out of 4. Now, there's a way mathematicians write 1/4 or 1 part out of 4 that's shorter, and that looks like this: 1/4. Now you notice the 4 tells us the number of equal parts, and the 1 will tell us how many parts are shaded. So if I have just one piece shaded, then that's going to be 1/4. The 1 is how much is shaded, and the 4 tells us how many equal parts there are total. Okay. The line we put in the middle is called the fraction bar. And the fraction bar splits this fraction into pieces for the number of shaded parts and the number of equal parts. It divides those two things. All right, so how do you think I'm going to write this one? So this square has 3/4 of it shaded. So how would I write 3/4? Well, the bottom number is the number of equal parts, and I have 4 equal parts. The top number is how many are shaded, and I have 3 parts shaded. So this would be 3/4. Okay. Now we also have this as 2/4. We read this as 2/4, or 2 parts out of 4. Okay, if I wanted to draw a circle and divide it into 4ths, okay, then I'm going to shade 2/4 of it. So there's 1/4 and 2/4 shaded. Okay. What about if I wanted to shade 1/3? So that was a 1/4, 2/4. Get that shaded in. Okay, what about 1/3? So first I need to divide it into thirds, and we do that by kind of making a Y. And then I'm going to shade 1/3 of it. So just 1 out of the 3 pieces. Okay, what about this? Let's pretend this is a candy bar. How many equal parts are there in this candy bar? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Okay, how many parts are shaded? Well, just 1 is. So 1 part out of 6 is shaded. So I'd write that as 1/6. Hey, what about this? Let's pretend this is a pie. And I have 2 parts shaded. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and 2 of them are shaded. So the fraction would be 2/5. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.